Storyblocks Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Storyblocks Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the Storyblocks Affiliate Program, highlighting the features of the platform, who it's made for, and why it's such an excellent opportunity for affiliates. Be sure to check out the links in the description. To get started with Storyblocks today, Storyblocks is a subscription-based platform offering an extensive library of stock media, including videos, music, sound effects, and images. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, marketer, or designer, Storyblocks gives you access to high-quality, royalty-free assets that can take your projects to the next level. The platform is designed for anyone who needs professional content without the hassle of licensing issues or searching through hundreds of sources. It's perfect for producing videos, ads, social media content, and even corporate materials. Now let's talk about the Storyblocks Affiliate Program. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or someone who frequently shares recommendations in the creative space, this affiliate program offers a great way to monetize your audience. By promoting Storyblocks, you'll earn commissions when your referrals sign up for a subscription. Storyblocks provides a generous commission structure, and since the service is used by many creative professionals, it's an easy sell to an audience already interested in content creation. One of the biggest draws of the program is its SOC recurring commission model, which means that you'll earn money not just from the initial sign-up, but from the ongoing subscription renewals of customers you refer. This is perfect for creating a passive income stream as your audience continues to use Storyblocks month after month. Plus, the affiliate dashboard is user-friendly, giving you access to important metrics like clicks, conversions, and commission earnings, so you can easily track your success and optimize your strategy. Another great benefit is the marketing support you get as an affiliate. Storyblocks provides a variety of banners, links, and promotional materials, making it easy for you to get started and integrate into your content seamlessly. In conclusion, the Storyblocks Affiliate Program is an ideal opportunity for anyone in the creative, digital marketing, or content creation space to earn income by promoting a valuable, high-quality product. With an easy-to-use platform, solid commission structure, and great marketing materials, this program offers a great return for affiliates. If you're ready to promote a service that creative professionals need, be sure to check out the links in the description and get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.